Okay, what next? We'll take a closer look at what we discussed previously. There is no school with a consistent, maybe you run training indefinitely. You need to give some people tests. You need to give them assessment, assignments. You need to give them examination. And when you resume, the first thing you should do is to do revision. Then one of the things we will consider when we resume is solar tools, accessories, and how to use them. We are still laying the foundation. We want to talk about 49 reasons why your solar system installation failed. What you need to know about us, you need to know about other packages that we have, the physical training, the online training. If you are interested in contracting us to install solar for you, we are everly ready. After that, as part of our course content, we are trying to say that by watching this video, you have agreed not to sell Subway Energy Academy videos. This is our brainwork, our brainchild. We are saying that legal actions will be taken if you violate these agreements. After that, still on our course contents, we'll take a closer look at the roof. You admire the roof I showed you. We'll take a closer look at the roof and everything surrounding roof racking. How do you rack your roof professionally? We talk about string diagram. After you finish racking the roof, you need to install the solar panels. And after that, you give a string diagram to show people how you connect how the connections were done. Then we'll take you to teaching you how to write professional proposal, professional quotation, and how to write BOQ. Because even when you know how to install solar system, if you don't know how to write quotation, you don't know how to write proposal, sometimes you need to go out there and look for clients. It's not every time a client will be looking for you. And when you visit those clients, you need to present something before them. This is what you do. This is how we go about it. So we'll show you how to write professional proposal, quotation, and we'll talk about BOQ. Then after that, we'll talk about material procurement. How do you go about procuring your materials? It's not every material you see in the market that you should buy. We'll talk about cables and cable sizing. This has been a very big challenge in the solar industry. How do you size your solar cables? How do you size your solar cables? We'll take a closer look at it, an in-depth discussion on solar cables. Then we'll talk about solar component matching. How do you match the different solar component matching is different from solar component configuration. I'm talking about how you match the solar components. How do you are using this size of solar inverter? What battery or which battery should you use? Which solar panel? What is the rating of solar panels I should use? What is the rating of solar charge controller I should use when I'm using this size of solar panel? So that is solar component matching. We'll take a closer look at that. Then we'll talk about component installation, how you go about installing solar components professionally. Then we'll talk about breakers. This is another issue in the solar industry. You have to put protective measures so that your solar system installation can stand the test of time. So we take a closer look at breakers and breakers sizing, because if you install the solar system without protecting it from thunder strikes and every other thing, that solar system installation will not stand the test of time. We are giving you another warning that by watching this video, you have agreed not to sell Subway Energy Academy videos. Legal actions will be taken if you violate this rule. Then we'll talk about solar component configuration. What do I mean by configuration? Configuration is, you see us use 5, 6 solar inverters. How do we configure them to work as one? That we will also consider. Then we will talk about electrical drawing. When you finish installation of the solar components, a client or as a professional, you need to diagrammatically show how the installation was done. When we did roof, we talk about string diagram, but when we are talking about powerhouse, we are talking about electrical drawing. Then earthing is another issue in the solar industry, so we will as well talk about earthing deeply. We will dissect, give you the nitty-gritty, the secrets that we use when we are installing our solar systems. We talk about solar system commissioning. How do you commission your solar installation? Then we talk about troubleshooting and maintenance. There are sometimes after installation, your system will need troubleshooting. How do you get to understand what is the problem of your solar installation in case something happens? Then we'll nail it on solar entrepreneurship 2. Remember, we started with solar entrepreneurship 1. Then this, when we are talking about solar entrepreneurship, we are talking about how you can make money, how you can monetize the knowledge. It's not about learning. The knowledge you acquire must be able to put food on your table. If that aim is defeated, there's no point registering for our training. So those are some of the course contents or some of the discussion we will handle if you join our paid training or masterclass. A trial will always convince you. We are going to move into the business, the real deal. 49 reasons why your solar system installation failed. Be patient, take your time, watch the videos, and always communicate to us. If you have any challenge, we're always ready and available to assist you. Subway Energy Academy, training men for